What is preventing ctrl-alt-m from reaching IntelliJ on Windows 10? I'm using IntelliJ in Windows and ctrl-alt-m is a shortcut that is very useful, but right now it's doing nothing. The shortcuts just don't reach IntelliJ. My suspicion is that some other app registered it as a global shortcut or something like that. In IntelliJ, it seems correctly set. And if I add another shortcut to method, such as ctrl-alt-shift-r, I can properly use it in the editor in IntelliJ. I'm running the latest Windows 10 and the latest IntelliJ. Any ideas how I can find that out? I followed the process described here. How can I determine which process owns a hotkey in Windows? Using Visual Studio Tools Spy++, and apparently the M key down event is never triggering. This is what happens for ctrl-alt-t. A shortcut that works as expected in IntelliJ. And this is what happens with ctrl-alt-m. I have two keyboards connected to this computer, a Kinesis Advantage and a Logitech K120. They both behave the same way in regards to ctrl-alt-m.
I had the same problem. Turns out NVIDIA's Shadow Play catches this shortcut by default as stated here. Apparently all the JetBrains products react the same way. So this will fix the same experience in Android Studio, Writer, Clean, and so on. Just follow the steps below. Open GeForce Experience Settings. Open in-game overlay settings. Open shortcut settings. Replace the microphone mute shortcut. Enjoy.
I have access to IntelliJ 10.5.4, so I tested the shortcut on a JavaScript file, and it worked perfectly well when a viable piece of code is selected. The problem seems local to your computer, although you are surely using another version than my old one. What I can suggest? The Microsoft article Windows Keyboard Shortcuts for Accessibility shows that this shortcut is used by the magnifier. You may disable the magnifier, if it is enabled. Check that the shortcut is well defined in your IntelliJ version. In mine this is located under Menu File, Settings, Key Map, and I used the keyboard filter to isolate it. Check further by adding another keyboard shortcut to this item and seeing if the new one works. Check even further by booting Windows in safe mode. If the problem disappears, then this shortcut is indeed blocked by some third-party product. You could use autoruns to turn startup products off in bunches and booting, until the product is found, finally turning them back on. If you cannot absolutely find why this is happening, I suggest a solution using AutoHotkey, involving the mapping in IntelliJ idea of ctrl-alt-m to another shortcut, then using AutoHotkey to map ctrl-alt-m to the new shortcut.
The following similar question may help. How can I determine which process owns a hotkey in Windows? There is an answer for Windows 10 in there. Additionally, in this question, the user finds that ctrl+m was being intercepted by the Bing toolbar. Not sure if ctrl+m works for you, but it's something to investigate.
If you want to support the channel, first consider subscribing.